nagustuhan pa kita.
Oo nga, parang kasama mo si Christina.
Ikaw, happy ka naman.
Happy naman sila.
Sana pakilala kita.
Ay, oo nga pala, magpakilala kayo.
Siyempre si Christina.
Hi, Alfred. Hi.
Jelly.
Oo. Anyway, magbabalik po kami.
Teka,
Bakit?
sandali.
May sasabihin ka muna.
Correct. So, paano kung pareho kayo nagaling sa magkaibang relasyon? Kung saan ang kilig factor nailibing na sa ground at forever nyo na hindi makikita. Is kilig more kilig now with a different person? O nag-evolve na siya? Nag-iba na siya, nag-mature na yung kilig factor na yun. So pagbabalik po ng sis, kasama po natin si Alfred at si Christina Romualdez. At pag-uusapan natin ang kilig factor.
Yes. Did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of Ding Dong, your husband?
Yes, Father.
Ding Dong, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of Jessa, your wife?
Yes, Father.
Wow! So, puro kilig tayo today. So, ngayon tatanungin naman natin kung ano nga kaya ang kilig sa mga bagong kasal. Siyempre, tanungin ko, kilig. When you met each other, tapos when you started going out, kailan dumating yung kilig factor? O talagang, nung nag-meet kayo, magic na siya, parang everything fell into place immediately?
You. I wanna hear you first. Tapos syempre, for me, kilig agad.
Yung kilig nag-iiba.
Oh.
Yung kilig nag-iiba eh. Like, when I first met her, syempre, I was kilig because she was really beautiful.
Wow!
Diba? Tapos, after that, when we started going out, and, you know, it was really nice talking to Christina, and we started joking around, things like that.
He's really kalog
so,
kasi.
iba na naman yung kilig dun.
Tapos,
Kasi syempre, yung una maganda, di ba? Pero after seeing her for several days, gano'n, so medyo nawawala na yun.
yung first
It changes
impression.
naman, it changes naman.
into
Ibang
what?
level naman.
Parang nagsisettle siya ng konti.
Yeah, because
noticeable.
like when you meet a person, hindi mo naman akalain, you know, there's so many good qualities pala. So, nabibuild up naman yung kilig.
Oo, kasi di ba yung kilig, parang ano yun? Parang sa crush, yung parang
Actually, yeah.
pag may dumadaan na gwapo, ay,
Yeah,
kilig!
yeah.
Di
At
ba?
first, parang first impression, di ba?
Right.
But then, after a while, syempre, the more, like with me, the more I got to know him, yung kilig na yun, honestly, parang, syempre, nag-grow. Kasi parang the more you get to know, you get to like the person, parang lalo kong kinikilig. Kasi parang the more I got to know, the more I like him, di ba? Kasi minsan kasi kilig lang pag sa first impression, parang sa looks lang yan, di ba?
Oo,
Or
looks.
something.
Or tapos
But
yung
iba yung,
looks,
you know,
tapos
when you're
pinansin
getting
ka,
to know the
nag-smile.
person. Yeah, kasi, di ba?